are going to be visiting Sandy Bird Macaw's place. All right, that says ring bell for service. Wow, we did it!
You see a red star? No, those birds like to chase your fingers. Every bird here will bite you.
And not me. Oh, look at those sharp claws. They're so sharp. Everybody, it says do not feed. So what that means is we can't feed these birds. So these birds must fight real hard. Oh, did you hear it? It said hi to us. Did you say hi? Sing. Like a noodle?